If you invest or trade cryptocurrency, it's important to understand the latest IRS crypto tax rules for 2026. The IRS treats crypto as property, meaning every sale, trade, or purchase made with crypto can trigger a taxable event. A major change is the new Form 1099-DA, which requires exchanges to report your crypto transactions directly to the IRS. This makes accurate record keeping more important than ever. Be sure to track your gains, losses, staking reward, and DeFi income, as all may need to be reported. Avoid common mistakes like miscalculating your cost basis or skipping the crypto question on Form 1040. Stay organized, report your transactions correctly, and use crypto tax software if needed. Like and subscribe for more crypto tax and finance updates, and let us know in the comments, are you a trader or a long term holder? Thanks for watching.